Kisses from the starless clouds. Hablando al gato negro, hablamos de nada. Disculpa, perdón, no, perdón, pero no tengo bocados de comida para ti. Underneath a Spanish tile, I collapse in a white plastic patio chair and let the balcony spin. And wait for the rain to end. Dios, 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 drop from the sky, empty into my mind, billow through the glowing curtains of occupied rooms, be absorbed by tense, resilient night. It's captive and cool in the upstairs pool, but no swimming after 9. Acid water will melt your flesh, really peligroso. Esta es realidad. Un gato es realidad, whisked away to the wet corners of the crumbling Mexican stairwell. Playa de los Muertos, historic surf, pirate death, crashing through walls of water coming at you. Luminous whitecaps converging over your nostrils, dragging you down. Ran bare-legged into the sea, chasing after your melodrama. Swept out, towed up, submarine despair, distant beach city lights, and warm, salty earth. I'll never get home. 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 Across from you, gloomy with fatigue, bright explosions in the void behind my shut eyes, top of summer sheets, the air conditioner rasping, sprawling on beds, knocking bottles to the floor, shape, shrunk like water, posed for pictures for people back home. Pero no tengo familia en casa. An album in the history of the mad generation. Long legs extended across blank block of unread books. Other side of your dreaming shadow, me awake, unbound, gazing into the invisible face of rectitude, thinking about strangers, phantoms I used to know. One more thing. While staring into the yawning spaces of your cities, got a busy view of the south side of morning. That place lingers in dreams, bottoms of empty bottles, fragmented pictures, books, clouds, Aztec mandalas. Even at home, I drink in silent hotel rooms of memory, brain lost in Mexico. God, God, God.
Breaking. I've been breaking glass in my room again. Listen. Listen. Something's on the carpet. I drew something awful on it. See, you're such a wonderful person, but you got problems. You're such a wonderful person, but you got problems. Oh,